Magic happens when we sleep well. Do you know someone, or are you the one who's awake at bedtime? Or do you feel hungry at odd or different strange hours? Or do you struggle to wake up in the morning and feel less alert just because you didn't sleep well? In this episode, I, Swati Patwal, your podcast host, will explain you science behind sleep.
This is Diet X by Dr. Swati Patwal.
Centuries ago, I think around in 1735, Benjamin Franklin in his book Poor Richards, he said, "Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise." Let us find the reason behind it, and there is a science behind it. आखिर तक सुनिएगा, क्योंकि मैं आपको एक ऐसा न्यूट्रिशन टिप बताऊंगी जिससे आपको नींद भी अच्छी आएगी और जल्दी आएगी। देखिए, कुछ लोगों को सोने में बड़ा मजा आता है। ये लोग इतने आलसी होते हैं कि पूरे दिन सोते हैं और फिर भी मस्त रहते हैं। इनकी एक पहचान होती है, फ्लॉलेस स्किन, ब्राइट आईज, एनर्जेटिक। They don't even crave food or feel hungry at different times. और कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि हर रात भर काम करते हैं, मूवी देखते हैं और पूरे दिन परेशान रहते हैं। इनके हाथ में या तो एक ग्लास सोडा होता है या एक कप कॉफी टू स्टे अवेक थ्रू द डे। सच बताना, इनमें से कौन से हो आप? Even I used to think, ऐसा क्यों होता है? Is there a science behind it, or is it just a regular lifestyle habit for such sleep patterns? But as I started exploring the science behind it, एक रात के लिए ही सही मेरी भी नींद उड़ गई थी, ये सोच के कि इतनी सिंपल चीज हमारे हेल्थ की किस तरह से हमारी हेल्थ को इम्पैक्ट कर सकती है। देखिए, पोस्ट पैंडेमिक एक न्यू पैंडेमिक इमर्ज हो रहा है, दैट इज लैक ऑफ स्लीप। तो इसका रीजन जो भी हो, इसमें घबराने की कोई बात नहीं। चलिए इस पॉडकास्ट में सुनते हैं, डाइट एक्स के इस एपिसोड में सुनते हैं साइंस बिहाइंड आवर स्लीप, our super vitamin which is absolutely free. See, there are many reasons why we sleep less, like stress or use of electronic gadgets, anxiety, workload and वगैरह. Let me share it with you. Whatever your reasons are to sleep less, it can take a toll on us. और ये किसने सोचा था that sleeping more can make us happier, healthier and wiser? You know, sleep regulates many metabolic processes in our body. And let me explain the science side of it. Now, there is a central clock in our brain which is called as suprachiasmatic nucleus. Now, this clock sits in the middle of our brain, right above our optic nerve, and it responds to our day and night. Uska kaam hi hai. When there is day, it will respond, and when it is night, it will respond. Now, this SCN, that long word which I just used before, I just want to call it as SCN. Now, it dictates our body when to feel alert, when to feel tired, and when to feel hungry. So, when our SCN is working well, we are active and energetic throughout the day. And when it isn't working well, it just works the opposite. Recent breakthrough, actually not so recent also, थोड़ा time हो गया इस breakthrough को। देखिए, what it shows is that there is a clock in nearly every organ of our body. Our heart, our lungs, kidneys, all run on a clock. In fact, even our liver and digestive system works on a clock. The enzyme which absorbs fats and sugars also works around this clock. And our ability to burn body fat as well. So imagine our weight, our body's ability to detox, our digestion system, our breath, our sugars and cholesterol all depends on this clock. इसको हम ऐसे समझते हैं, देखिए, जब हम बच्चों को झूला झुलाने लेके जाते हैं तो हम आराम से एक अच्छे पेस में झूला झूलते हैं। पर जैसे कोई हम देखते हैं कि बारिश होने वाली है या तेज हवा आने वाली है या कोई वेट कर रहा होता है स्विंग में चढ़ने के लिए, तो हम जल्दी बच्चे को हिलाते हैं। तो उससे क्या होता है, द रिदम ब्रेक्स. सो इट्स आइदर फास्ट और इट इज स्लो or it is too erratic. Same thing happens with our circadian rhythm as well. Our rhythm of our body, when we don't sleep well or if we sleep in erratic patterns, it swings back and forth and it gets disturbed. ये जो circadian rhythm है, it gets a push when there is a bright light every morning. But in modern world, as we aren't living in a primitive world anymore, we see this bright light after sunset, but that is through the gadgets like TV or mobile phones or laptops or from bulb, unless you want to use candles. But nowadays candles are mostly used for candlelight dinners, and that too if you're lucky enough. है कि नहीं? Anyway, now this bright light is also called as blue light, which pushes a cycle and gives a mismatch between the external environment and a central clock in our brain. Now it disturbs our brain. In fact, even our gut bacteria, our friendly gut bacteria also gets disturbed when we don't sleep well. Just because we expose our body to the bright lights, it pushes our central clock. So how does sleeping less or disturbed sleep make us gain weight? Now, erratic sleep habits will push our meal intake as well. Maybe you will eat more overnight or in the waking hour, or your meal timing during the day will get disturbed. As simple as pushing a morning meal can disrupt our cycle and can interfere with our metabolic rate. Now, research shows that having our meals at the same time can make us lose weight. So, for example, if you have your breakfast at 8 o'clock and you continue to have your breakfast at 8, you will lose weight. But if you make it at 11, this will interfere with your metabolic rate. If you want to burn that belly fat, if you want to look ageless, you've got to sleep well. You know, this circadian rhythm also controls our cholesterol synthesis and our blood sugars. Those people who wake up with extremely high sugars in the morning, they blame their meal intake from the night before. वो ऐसा सोचते हैं कि रात को हमने जो डिनर करा था उसके कारण हमारा शुगर बढ़ा है. But that is not the case, because before going to sleep, your sugars may be good, but you're fasting overnight and your still sugars can go high. If you do not sleep well, it will disturb two phenomena, which is called as dawn phenomenon and Somogyi effect. तो फिर सोच लो आप how important it is to have a good sound sleep. So staying awake at night or in erratic hours, it functions greatly because it processes how the food gets digested, how the food gets processed, and above all, the way our organs functions. You know, in Australia, we always have daylight savings. In fact, many countries do. In daylight savings, what we do is we increase the clock by an hour. And in winter or fall, we push the clock behind, 1 hour behind. Now, this is done so that we can make the better use of daylight and our days become more productive. You know, I still remember how difficult it was in the first week to adjust to this. Especially our meal timings changed, sleep timing shifted. So it was very difficult. But because our body got used to it, within a week it was not a problem. But if you keep changing it on a regular basis or an everyday basis, this adjustment is very, very difficult. It is just like a travel jet lag. You know, there is a hormone called melatonin, which is a sleep hormone. It is also called as a dark hormone. A little gland which is right in the center of our head, it secretes melatonin. So this hormone is secreted when there is dark, and as soon as the sun rises, it turns off. The rise and fall of this hormone, it syncs the circadian rhythm of our body. मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि मेलेटोनिन सप्लीमेंट्स जो आपको बाजार में मिलते हैं या शॉप्स में मिलते हैं, some of them can have heavy dosage and it can also lead to impotency. So it is better that you have this melatonin secreted naturally in our body and you work according to the rhythm of the body. Try not to rely on these supplements because they can have harmful effects on your body. You know, our body doesn't understand day and night. It only understands day and night through our food intake and the way we sleep. So it is very important to have right timing of food intake and right timing to sleep as well. If we restrict sleep, we start to crave unhealthy food. When we scan the brain of those people who don't sleep well, we find that the reward pathway in that brain area lights up brighter in response to our high calorie foods. कितने लोगों ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि जब हम ठीक से नहीं सोते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे हमारा वेट बढ़ जाता है या पूरे दिन भूख लगती रहती है. So when we sleep less, it increases our hunger hormone ghrelin. It also suppresses our hormone leptin, which tells us we are full. So it also increases our cortisol hormone, which makes us gain belly fat. Just about an hour of social jet lag, like you know when we party over the weekend, that can actually make us gain weight. Not only because of what we ate, also because of the jet lag that interferes with our internal body. तो देखिए, ये तो मैंने बता दिया that sleep is very, very important for us. But how much sleep do we need? See, having a good sleep protects our DNA structure, and research shows that 7 hours of good sleep at night helps in recovery. We also want to age gracefully, and many of us, we don't want to look our age, at least not me. And sleeping well is as good as using an anti-aging cream. So if you wish to live ageless and look flawless,